1, 2, 3, start.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of bed.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then do subscribe to my channel. And today we are going to do a special challenge with both my sisters. So as you know her, you have seen her, she is my elder sister, and she is her best friend, which is my sister also. So yeah, today we are going to do the hot ramen spicy challenge. So yeah, we both like spicy things, but I don't know about her.
She gets angry.
She gets angry and scared easily. So now we will go and make the ramen, and then we'll come back and do the challenge. So yeah.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now.
So we are back with our ramen. So,
I did the cooking and I
Yeah.
was melting in the heat.
Yeah, so as you can see, we have the ramen in front of us, and we even have some milk if we need it. So now we are going to start eating it. Okay, so
Completed.
we are going to set a timer of who completes it first. So we don't have a gift for the winner, but it's for fun, yes. So we are going to see who finishes the ramen first. So yeah, we have the timer here. So let's start, okay?
On your marks.
Get
Oh
set,
shit.
go. It's spicy.
It's spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy.
Not spicy.
It's okay for me. It's getting spicy.
Eat it on.
It's spicy.
মোৰ বুকু জ্বলি আছে যোনফালেদি গৈ আছে ফুড পাইপটো জ্বলি জ্বলি গৈ আছে পানী খাব মন গৈছে
touch anywhere. Not even with your tongue.
It's spicy. Oh. I'm trying. It's okay.
I'm not trying to know.
My insides are burning.
Actually, I don't.
I think I have more quantity than this.
You want some Nancy?
You can take from me.
It's so spicy.
Because her quantity was less.
Yeah,
Mine
but
was less.
it was the
Oh,
finished.
I finished it.
I can't eat anymore.
You can't eat.
It's not that spicy. It's okay for me, but
It's spicy, but
yeah, we can control it.
yeah.
Not that extreme or spicy. Oh god, no, it's spicy. When you win.
It's spicy. It's spicy after you eat it.
Yeah.
It's
Now,
not spicy as soon as you consume it.
I'm not drinking the milk till yet. I can't even talk.
No, I don't want to waste.
I can't even talk.
It's hitting me now. The spicy sound.
I won't eat anymore.
it hits you after you stop eating it. Yeah. You want it? I'm going to finish our noodles. So technically I won't because I ate more. Look at her.
My water from my eyes is coming.
Don't touch anywhere now. Everything will start burning.
I got used to it now. It's not that spicy now, yeah.
I'm not drinking the milk till now.
Huh?
I'll see how much I can control.
I controlled a lot then. Now only I drank the milk.
If you don't drink the milk, give it to me.
I'll drink na. You bring for me.
Drink it, drink it.
No, let's.
Oh, drink for me.
But it was very tasty.
Yeah, I loved it. We forgot to bring the water also.
It is spicy, but for me, it's. If I have to rate this, how much will you give?
10.
7.
I'll give 5.
I'll give
5.
Yeah, 10. 5 out of 10.
7. Yeah, 7 out of 10.
For me, it is 8.59.
Because it's like very much okay. I'm okay with it. I'm
Yeah,
not
I'm also okay
that
with it.
much. I have so much control power over
Yes,
spices.
he has a very high
Control power.
threshold for spice.
And I had
He has
lots
hot
of. My quantity was more. I don't know how.
I have tears.
It feels nice to do this, you know. It's like the spice is going
My
down.
spices are going already.
Yeah, same.
Without
here.
having the milk.
So we forgot to close the timer, but I won.
Yeah, she won. She's the winner.
Yeah.
And we enjoyed the noodles.
Yeah, we enjoyed it a lot, and I hope that we can do more challenges like this.
Maybe
the
other
Jojo
challenge. No,
The
not
Jojo
anything
one.
spicy anymore.
Oh, we will.
Yeah, we will.
We will. It was good.
Yeah, I
You
love
two do. I will sit and watch you.
it. So
I am crying. Tears are still coming out.
I'm
from my
sweating,
eyes.
but it's like okay.
I'm
The
not
spice
sweating,
is
but-
not that much.
Yeah, it was okay.
It was okay.
Yeah,
It was very hot for me. Okay, it was not okay for me.
It was
Yeah.
okay for me.
I loved it.
I'm
loved
fine
eating
with
the-
it.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
loved eating the ramen.
And the taste was also like some sweet texture.
Yeah, I
yeah,
also
yeah.
got yes. I also
Got that,
tasted something
sweetie.
sweet,
Yeah.
like honey or
Yeah.
you know how honey chicken tastes,
That
but
was good.
it
Yeah.
was very spicy also for me.
But
If you have a high threshold, then it will not be that spicy for you. But if you have a low threshold like me, I can eat spicy food, not
I'm having
this
the
level of
so
spicy.
typically we eat more spices than most of the people, right?
Yeah, and I don't eat that much spice also.
Yeah.
no, I need
But
Yeah,
it was
you
really
both
spicy.
can eat,
Yeah,
yeah.
it was really
the
spicy.
spicy.
So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And if you like the challenge, then
If you like watching us struggle and cry
Right.
and sweat
And
then
enjoy.
yes, then give this video a like.
like, yes.
Share it with
And
your friends.
yes, we are going to do a mukbang today itself.
Yes,
on our
on my channel.
Yeah,
On my
So
channel.
I'll link that video down
And it
below.
won't be anything spicy.
Yeah, I will link that video down below so that you can check it out. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you to my special guest for
Bye-bye.
appearing in my video. Bye.
Yes, disclaimer, we actually made 2 packets for the 3 of us because as you can see that was also a lot for us.
Yeah.
It was, because it was very spicy. So if it was 3 packets, then I would have been
Yeah.
dead here.
It would have been a waste.
Yes,
Yeah.
waste also, yes. So
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress. stress of falling out of bed.